a hawk ripping apart a rabbit's body, and it took out the 5 or 6 baby rabbits that were still incubating in its uterus.
And are still thriving.
Still alive, yes.
Thriving on the ground. We have to call the physical plant, by the way.
Right now, as I speak. It's ridiculous.
Thriving baby fetuses. Oh. This is horrifying. How could it do that?
God, I want to pretend it's babies.
How could it do that? There are like 5, guys. Do you see 2 more underneath it?
Yeah.
There were 2 underneath it, and then there are 2 right there. I think there are 4.
It's quite possibly the most depressing thing I've ever seen.
1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 baby rabbits.
Kate, look at this. No. They're live bunny fetuses.
I've seen
forming on the ground.
When you want to help them we're just going to oh, in the stack.
We can
I can do it tomorrow.
I'll grab the last clear bin under your bed.